Imagine facing an unexpected situation and having the right tool at your fingertips. That's what today's video is all about. We're diving into Amazon gadgets designed not just to impress, but to actually protect you when it matters most. Some of these devices are so clever they could literally make the difference between chaos and control. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which gadget you'd trust the most. And remember, every single product I mention is linked right below in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. When the wilderness turns unpredictable, one small tool can become your lifeline. The SE Waterproof Magnesium Firestarter Kit is designed to give you fire whenever you need it, no matter the weather. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to produce hundreds of reliable sparks, this kit transforms survival into confidence. Imagine the reassurance of knowing you can light a fire in rain, snow, or damp conditions. Warmth, light, and safety at your command. The solid magnesium bar delivers fuel that burns hot and bright, while the flint and serrated striker make ignition quick and effortless, even for beginners. Whether you're camping in the mountains, hiking through dense trails, or preparing for emergencies, this tool ensures you're never left vulnerable. Its durability and waterproof design make it indispensable for explorers, adventurers, and anyone who values preparedness. Today, you can secure this essential piece of survival gear for just $7.99. Picture yourself caught in a sudden downpour, miles away from shelter. That's when the Prepared for X emergency poncho becomes more than just gear. It's protection you can trust. Crafted with a NASA-engineered Mylar lining, it reflects up to 90% of your body heat, shielding you from cold winds and freezing rain when the temperature drops unexpectedly. Unlike flimsy single-use ponchos, this one is built double thick for durability, resisting tears from branches and rough terrain, so you're not left exposed when you need coverage the most. Its generous design even fits over your backpack, letting you carry essentials hands-free while keeping everything dry. Lightweight, reusable, and compact enough to tuck into a car kit or hiking pack, it's the kind of safeguard you forget about until it saves you. And right now, this layer of comfort and security can be yours for just $19.99. Darkness loses its power the moment you switch on this solar rechargeable LED flashlight. Built to shine up to 800 meters, its beam cuts through the night with an intensity that brings instant clarity, whether you're on a trail, by the water, or facing an outage at home. 4 versatile modes adapt to every scenario, from steady brightness for work to a strobe that signals SOS when emergencies strike. The 1200 milliamp battery isn't just about long hours of light. It doubles as a power bank, giving your phone a lifeline when you need it most. Crafted from rugged ABS plastic and aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, dust-resistant, and shock-proof, ready to endure whatever the elements throw at you. Light, durable, and designed for comfort, it's the kind of tool you'll reach for again and again. And remarkably, this level of reliability comes at just $13.99. Running out of battery in the middle of nowhere is no longer a fear with the Blavor Solar Charger Power Bank. Compact yet powerful, it combines 10,000 milliamp hours of energy with wireless charging and 20-watt fast USB-C output, giving your phone more than half a charge in just half an hour. Imagine powering up 3 devices at once while camping, hiking, or even during a blackout at home. Effortless energy wherever you go. Built from flame-retardant materials and wrapped in a comfortable rubberized finish, it feels as reliable as it looks. Its waterproof and shockproof design means it stands strong against the elements, while dual flashlights and a handy compass carabiner keep you safe long after the sun sets. Lightweight, durable, and trusted worldwide, this little powerhouse brings peace of mind to every adventure. And right now, it's yours for only $25.49. One tool, endless possibilities. That's what you get with this multi-tool carabiner with knife. Compact enough to clip on a backpack or belt loop, yet loaded with 6 essential functions, it's the gear that makes every adventure smoother. A sharp folding blade handles quick cuts, while the bottle opener, dual screwdrivers, and sturdy carabiner keep you prepared for daily tasks. In emergencies, the glass breaker could mean the difference between danger and escape, giving you security when you least expect it. Built from stainless steel, it resists wear and corrosion, ready to endure the elements while maintaining its sleek, solid feel. Every feature opens with ease, locking safely in place so you can work confidently. Whether camping, hiking, or just navigating everyday life, this compact tool adds power to your pocket without weighing you down. And the best part, all this versatility is available for only $9.99. Cold nights in the wild can turn dangerous fast, but with the emergency sleeping bags 2-pack, warmth is always within reach. Designed from NASA-engineered Mylar, these thermal bivy sacks reflect up to 90% of your body heat, protecting you from wind, rain, and freezing conditions. Lightweight yet extra large, they cover your entire body, even your head, creating a shield against the elements. Each bag folds into a pocket-sized pouch, easy to slip into your backpack, car, or survival kit without adding bulk. In moments of crisis, the bright reflective strip ensures visibility, while the included whistle signals for help when you need it most. Whether hiking, camping, or preparing for the unexpected, this simple gear dramatically boosts your chances of staying safe. Reliable, reusable, and incredibly compact, both bags together come at just $15.99. Survival meets style with the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. Hidden inside are 4 life-saving tools: Firestarter, compass, whistle, and 12 feet of tough cord. Perfect for camping, hiking, or scouting, it keeps safety right on your wrist. And this 2-pack is yours for just $12.99. Imagine standing in pouring rain, freezing wind, or even snow, and still being able to light a fire instantly. That's exactly what the UCO Stormproof Match Kit delivers. These matches ignite quickly, burn for up to 15 seconds, and even relight after being dunked in water. With a waterproof case that floats, your supply stays dry, protected, and always ready when you need it most. The case itself holds 40 matches, and this kit comes with 4 refill packs. That's 100 additional matches plus 3 strikers. Each match is designed with extra length to protect your fingers while giving you enough time to light tinder, start a stove, or build a life-saving fire. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or braving unpredictable weather, this compact kit offers certainty when everything else feels uncertain. Rugged, dependable, and built to perform in the harshest conditions, it's all yours for just $26.98. When survival is on the line, having the right blade can mean everything. The Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife is built for moments when strength, precision, and reliability are non-negotiable. Its stainless steel drop-point blade with half-serrated edge tackles everything from cutting rope to carving wood, while the textured rubber grip ensures control even in wet or muddy conditions. More than just a knife, it comes with a rugged sheath that houses both a sharpener to keep the edge ready and a ferro rod to spark fire whenever you need warmth or cooking flames. The hammer pommel gives you striking power, and the emergency whistle adds another layer of safety. Compact yet substantial, it measures 10 inches in total with a balanced 4.8-inch blade, making it easy to carry but impossible to overlook in performance. Whether you're bushcrafting, hunting, or preparing for the unexpected, this knife delivers peace of mind every step of the way. And today, this powerhouse of survival gear is yours for only $48.99. Power goes out, the night closes in, and panic sets for many. But not when you have emergency glow sticks ready. These industrial-grade lights deliver a stunning glow visible from over a mile away, flooding your surroundings with 360 degrees of brightness that lasts up to 12 hours straight. Each stick is individually wrapped for protection, waterproof, non-toxic, and designed not to leak or snap easily, making them reliable in every situation. Whether you're facing a blackout at home, setting up camp in the wilderness, or navigating the unexpected, these glow sticks are small enough to store anywhere yet powerful enough to bring confidence when everything else is dark. With a long shelf life, they're perfect for survival kits, fishing trips, or even military use. dependable, safe, and always ready to shine when you need them most. And this pack can be yours for just $13.95. When storms cut the power and silence fills the air, the FosPower emergency radio becomes your lifeline. Built with NOAA, AM, and FM access, it keeps you connected to vital weather alerts and emergency broadcasts when every second counts. Its 7,400 milliamp hour power bank charges your phone or small tablet, while 3 charging options, solar, hand crank, or batteries, ensure it never leaves you stranded. Beyond communication, it doubles as a safety tool with a 1-watt flashlight and a 4 LED reading light to guide you through darkness. Compact, dependable, and rugged enough for both indoor and outdoor emergencies, it gives you confidence when uncertainty strikes. More than just a radio, it's peace of mind in the palm of your hand. And today, it can be yours for only $29.99. In the wild, clean water isn't guaranteed, but the LifeStraw personal water filter makes it possible anywhere. This compact tool removes over 99.9% of bacteria and parasites, protecting you from threats like E. coli, Salmonella, Giardia, and more. It even filters out microplastics as small as 1 micron, leaving clear, safe water straight from lakes, rivers, or streams. Lightweight and portable, it slips easily into your backpack or emergency kit, giving you up to 1,000 gallons of purified water over its lifetime. Every sip is backed by rigorous testing that meets the toughest global standards, so you can trust it in any situation. More than survival gear, it's also a force for good. Each LifeStraw purchase provides a child with safe drinking water for an entire school year. Reliable, simple, and life-saving, this filter is available now for only $14.95. Unpack, pitch, and breathe. The Coleman Skydome camping tent turns arrival into comfort fast with pre-attached poles that go up smoothly, even at dusk or in rain. Nearly vertical walls deliver 20% more headroom than classic domes, so you can move, change, and stretch without crouching. Stay dry under the WeatherTech system. Welded corners and inverted seams help block rain, and a reinforced frame stands firm through gusts reaching 35 miles per hour. A wider door makes loading a queen-size airbed straightforward, while mesh pockets and a gear loft keep lights, chargers, and keys exactly where you want them. Compact to carry yet generous inside at 8 by 7 feet with a center height of 4 feet 8 inches. It suits road trips, festivals, or quick escapes. Pre-attached poles and a straightforward design mean setup takes under 5 minutes, leaving more daylight for trails, cooking, or that first quiet view of the stars. The included rainfly teams with the sturdy frame to shed showers, and the carry bag keeps parts tidy between trips. For dependable shelter that upgrades every overnight, this tent is currently listed at $84.99. Preparedness in one compact pouch. The Survival and First Aid Kit 142 pieces equips you for nearly any situation outdoors. Designed with input from U.S. veterans, it combines 20 versatile survival tools, a full 108-piece first aid kit, and 14 fishing essentials, giving you everything from a hatchet and folding shovel to fire starters, a tactical flashlight, and wound care supplies. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an unexpected emergency, this gear ensures injuries are treated quickly, shelters are built, and food is secured. Each tool is crafted for reliability, while the organized maul pouch keeps everything accessible and ready at a moment's notice. Lightweight yet complete, it's trusted by adventurers, first responders, and families alike. More than just equipment, it's peace of mind you can carry on your belt or in your backpack. And today, this all-in-one safeguard is yours for just $29.99. Beyond cell towers and Wi-Fi, the ZOLEO satellite communicator keeps you connected anywhere on Earth. Paired with your smartphone, it lets you send texts and emails through the Iridium satellite network, automatically choosing the most affordable signal available. In an emergency, a single press triggers SOS with your exact GPS location, alerting a 24/7 monitoring center ready to dispatch help. For non-emergencies, you can access medical assistance, share waypoints, or send unlimited check-ins so loved ones know you're safe. Rugged and IP68 rated, it shrugs off dust, water, and harsh environments, while its powerful battery delivers more than 200 hours of life. You'll even get a dedicated number and email so people can reach you directly when you're off the grid. Compact, reliable, and built for serious adventures, it turns isolation into connection. And right now, this peace of mind is yours for $199.